The French coin is dedicated to the 70th anniversary of the end of World War II and peace in the EU. This event was depicted in the form of a dove of peace, which instead of an olive branch carries a branch with 12 EU stars. Above the dove are the letter codes of 28 countries of the European Union, and under the dove is the large letter code of France RF as the issuing country of this coin. On the right is the mint year 2015, on the left is the mint mark and the mint director's mark. The mintage of the coin is 4 million pieces. On eBay, such coins were recently sold at prices ranging from $2.90 to $3.80. Currently, the cheapest lot with such a coin costs $2.90.